Hello and welcome to Stockton Kia. My name's Lawrence and today I'm very proud to present this lovely Kia EV6 GT line finished in metallic blue. As you can see on the front, nice bright LED daytime running lights and headlights. Got the new Kia style branding on there as well, and the glossy black trim contrasting very nice with the blue metallic paint. There's also a front collision radar on the front. Move around to the side of the vehicle, got the body coloured wheel arches. Also got 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels on there as well. And you do have the contrasting pillars and side mirrors, again showing off the styling of this vehicle. Now you do have the aerodynamic design door handles as well. So you just press them in here to open the vehicle. Rear tinted glass, and you do have the split spoiler at the back as well, which I'll show you shortly. First of all, taking a look inside the cabin, it does have the two-tone interior. You do have like a suede cloth in the centre and a recycled leather bolster. Now the leather bolsters are actually made from recycled plastic bottles recovered from the ocean. Inside the cabin, from a driver's perspective, I'll take you through a few interior features now. First of all, starting off with the steering wheel mounted controls on the right hand side for your Bluetooth and media functions. There's also a media mode setting and voice recognition. On the left hand side, you've got the controls for the adaptive cruise control, also the limiter and the lane departure warning and lane keep assist. Onto the driver's cluster, which is all a nice big digital display, so really sharp, easy to view. On the left hand side, you've got a digital speedometer. You can also put on the speed limit recognition mode, and also on the right hand side it will show you what range you have remaining left on the charge. Currently the car has covered just around 11,500 miles, and this is currently being used as a demonstrator, so if you do inquire on this particular vehicle, please be sure to do check the current mileage for the car. Now moving on to the infotainment screen, again a nice big wide display and a very responsive system. First of all, I'll show you that it does also have a built-in manual, so if you ever get stuck with anything, you can always refer to this when you're on the road. There's digital radio on here and satellite navigation, and does also double up as a reverse camera with dynamic guidelines. There's also front and rear parking sensors on this particular vehicle. In total, it will cover up to 290 miles off a full charge and is capable of rapid charging as well. You can also, on the screen, connect your smartphone to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, whichever your preference might be. There's dual climate control just below as well. And it also has a setting on this screen here where you can flick between actually using the media functions or whether you would like to use the aircon functions. You can also set it to a mode where it goes back. So there we go. So if I prefer having the infotainment settings on here, I can quickly flick onto here, change my air conditioning settings, and then it will automatically go back to the media functions again, just for quickness. And it's also easier to concentrate on this while driving. Just below you have a nice center armrest, which at the end does have the buttons for the front seat heated seats and the heated steering wheel. It's a push button start with the dial for the gear selection. It's got parking sensors, as I say, and the button for the parking camera. There's also the auto hold function here as well, and also a wireless phone charger. Just below this section there's plenty of storage room. So very handy if you get a small bag of shopping, or if you have a charging cable, that can also fit in there quite nicely as well. And plenty of power points for charging your devices on the go. So coming to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see, there's no rear wiper on there. With it being the aerodynamic design, the water just slides off. Got the bright LED, which sweeps right across, making it very visible even in poor weather conditions. You do have a reverse light at the bottom as well. And the rear camera is also situated here. GT line logo, and you also have the charge point, which is here. So you just pop a button and it will open automatically. It will also show you the charging status, so if you're somewhere near full, This will fill up accordingly, just as if you were charging your phone at home, and you've got capabilities of using both AC and DC charging. Now showing you inside the boot. Very generous size with a retractable parcel shelf. Car also comes with a Type 2 charging cable. Got 60/40 split seats at the back with outer anchorage and ISOFIX points. Taking a look at the rear of the cabin, it's very, very spacious. There's no dry shaft going down the middle of the car, so you've got plenty of leg room. Even if you're a middle passenger, you can quite comfortably fit 3 adults in here or 2 children in car seats. There's also a middle section here that folds down with integrated cup holders. There's also, in the back of the front seats, there are some ports here, so any rear passengers can charge their devices on the go as well. So once again, this is a Kia EV6 GT line, finished in metallic blue. It's available to view and test drive today at Stockton Kia. If you are interested in this particular vehicle or any of our others in stock, please feel free to give us a call and ask for Lawrence. Our landline is 01642 632 299. Thank you.